Hello. In this video, we present the second synthesis of valproic acid, dedicated to valproic acid, doubly labeled with carbon-13. According to its retrosynthesis presented in the previous video, this labeled drug is useful for research on its mechanism of action and metabolism. The synthesis of valproic acid labeled with carbon-13 is based on the incorporation of this isotope from labeled carbon dioxide to, after several steps, prepare the disubstituted malonic ester with two labeled propyl chains and finally obtain the drug with high isotopic purity, as we will see later. The reaction between ethyl iodide and magnesium in the presence of catalytic amounts of iodine generates Grignard reagent 2, which is reacted with carbon-13 labeled carbon dioxide of high isotopic purity to produce propanoic acid labeled with carbon-13 in the carboxyl group. Next, the reduction with lithium aluminum hydride generates the labeled propanol 5. The treatment of propanol with hydrogen bromide in the presence of sulfuric acid generates propyl bromide, which is isolated by distillation. The reaction between two equivalents of propyl bromide and the conjugate base of diethyl malonate prepared with sodium hydride produces the di-substituted malonic ester 8. The basic hydrolysis of 8 with sodium hydroxide generates the substituted malonic acid 9. The heating of the diacid causes the monodecarboxylation to synthesize valproic acid, with an overall yield of 32% and an isotopic purity close to 99%. In summary, here are the raw materials and their structural contribution. Thank you for your attention.